In this video, I'll show you how to export a video in 2K resolution using DaVinci Resolve. First, open the File menu at the top left and choose Project Settings. In the window that opens, expand the Timeline Resolution section. Set it to Custom, then type in 2560 by 1440. Click Save to apply those changes. Next, switch over to the Deliver page. Under the Render Settings panel, expand the Format menu and select MP4. Then, open the Codec dropdown and choose H.264. Scroll down to the Quality section, enable Restrict to, and enter 95,000 as the bitrate. After that, expand the Encoding Profile menu and select High. Once your settings are ready, click Add to Render Queue on the bottom right. Finally, in the Render Queue panel, click Render All to start the export. That's it! You now have your video exported in 2K resolution, ready to use.